Hi and welcome to the Dow Market View for Monday the 15th of September 2014. It's late Sunday afternoon, and the reason for the early recording is that one, I get a bit more time to spend talking about what the market's done, plus I'm busy recording a lot more tutorials for the Dow and also tutorials for the software as well at the moment. So while I'm here, I thought I would just record the market view for the Dow for Monday the 15th of September. So let's have a look, see where we are. We can see that on Monday the market pre-market was sideways. There was resistance up at the 17,050 level. At 2:35 we see the first sell signal of the day. We get a PTP there, with the market then moving lower and finding a bit of support at the psychological 17,000, of course, which again reminds you that has been a major support for this market. So holding there until just before the news, and we see the market moving lower, and then some buying coming back into the market at the previous day's low. We then see prices moving back to the upside. We've got an unqualified signal at 15.50. Let me just remove this trade that's completed there. And at 16.15, it's a shame really, the market didn't qualify until the fourth bar, which is why this remains unqualified, which is a shame because we had a good run to the downside there. But unfortunately we didn't get another signal until 17.25 there, where you then see the market moving down for another 20 pips or points at early evening, and then late on in the evening. This one, by the way, is not valid because we had two previous sell signals there, and as the market's already moved 50 points as well, which you can see from this grey shaded area, or between the two grey shaded areas. So there's 50 points already movement on there before you get this one, plus you've more or less got 50 in the background as well. So 150 point range is the way the markets are trading at the moment, which is fairly quiet. You wouldn't expect this one to move lower. Plus we're at another psychological level now. We're at the 16,950 level there as well, and you can see the market finding support in this area. And late on in the session at 8 o'clock on a Friday evening, which is not a good time to think about having a trade, but you see the market moving up there off the triple X, with the market providing a profit. It's not a trade that I would actually do, having been in for the earlier part of the day. It's generally quite lackluster and quiet, which you can see what the market did as it drifted off to close late on there at 22.15, last price bar of the day. In the daily charts, again, you've got this sort of rolling over of the highs here, and prices still finding support but slightly struggling, and we've seen a new low on Friday, but the market was brought back by the pros before the close, which we saw from 8 p.m. So a bit of support in the market at this level. In order to move higher, we need to see some new buying volume, an increase in volume, and also a close above the high of Friday's bar as well, because all of last week we had what are called lower highs, where the market, the following day's activity, the highest price that was bid was not as high as the previous high. So that's what's known as lower highs there. So the market, say, struggling just a bit on the upside. So you can see there's some pressure with those lower highs there. In the news tomorrow, there's only medium impact news, and I've gone to the Forex Factory site because we haven't rolled past midnight, so the software still thinks it's Sunday, which would show no economic news items. But of course, this is for Monday, so I've just gone here. These will show up in your software on Monday morning. So we've got Empire State, capacity utilization, and industrial production, none of which really should worry the markets today or Monday. Right, well, that's it for this quick review of the market activity from Friday. All things being equal, I will see you in Tuesday's market view. Let's hope the running streak that we've had for the last few weeks with the Dow continues. Thank you so much for all of the positive feedback. It's very much appreciated as well. Right, that's it from me. See you in the next one. And as ever, thanks for watching.